Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had a specific style I wanted to do, but I started my wash day late, so I'm just going to do that at a later date. So today I'm going to be trying out, which I actually got this from the Natural Hair Show, but I forgot to put it in my video. So I'm trying out the Aura S Curls Unleashed Beeswax and Castor Oil Color Blast. It's in blue. That's the only kind they were giving, only color they were giving out. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I already opened it. That's what it looks like. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to use it on my wash and go. If you want to know how I do my wash and go, then you should check out my updated 15-minute wash and go. It will show you how I do it. I already have my leave-in and my oil on, so now I'm just going to put my gel, and then I'll put on the color. So just got out of the shower, so I'm just go ahead and put on gloves. I'm just going to apply my gel with gloves, so I don't have to wash my hands and then apply the actual color, because it says to use gloves, so I'm just going to follow the directions for once and just use some gloves. So I have my hair divided up into two sections. Trying to just part my hair a different way, just to prevent, you know, breakage down whatever parts. So this is how my hair is looking. This has the leave-in and the oil mixture. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna be using the wet line and stream gel. I'm just gonna apply that to the section as a whole. Yeah. Okay, so the gel is applied. This is what it's looking like, or whatnot. Let's circle this around. Oh, that's too much. Oh, okay. So I'm going ahead and apply the color to the hair, and then I will blow dry it because it's like, and I need to go to sleep. So let's go ahead and apply the color. So I'm gonna apply it one section at a time. Put a little gel. Hold on. Oh, wow. That's so blue. I mean, like, seriously, like, that is, like, so freaking blue. Oh my goodness. Like, and this is from the lid. Not from the lid, from the foil. Bruh, really being amazed right now. Like, no lie. I haven't put about this much. I feel like, oh my, where has this been? Like literally, where have this freaking been? Look at that. Are you? And it's elongating my curls, which is always a plus. I'm not gonna do my roots, but bruh, I'm like going back and forth between this and the mirror. Trying to get it on my skin. I just took a shower. Wow, I didn't even need to add a lot. Are you, bruh, are you serious right now? I didn't even add a lot. I did not add that much. And it like coated half of my freaking head. Are you serious right now? Bro, I'm completely shook. I just add a little bit more to the back. So this is, wow, wow, wow. Bruh. Okay. Flip. Okay, so here is the final result. I do have a couple pieces, like the extremely long pieces are still like down. So my hair is probably about, let's say, 90% dry. That's why this is so long compared to this part. So this is how the color is looking. Do a 360, go this way. This is how the back is looking. My hair is pretty elongated, and then you can tell I need to shape up because the back is just so long compared to the rest. But I know it's going to shrink up. This is what it always does. But yeah, this is how it's looking so far. I'm going to try to lay my edges down a little bit better with, I have the Stuff at the Edge Boost pomade. It's to hide out the natural black, kind of like fill in your edges a little bit. So I already did a little bit, so it's gonna go over. Cause I don't want my edges to be blue. Just smoothing over, and then I'm gonna take the comb. Just rub it over it with my fingers. that's how that look. And then for over here, some little swoops. So once again, take the comb. There we go. Make sure that line is there. There you go. So that's how that's looking. And that's it. So I really like the color. Like, it's so vibrant and it doesn't take a lot. I will try this on dry hair, or I may just use this as the styler so it could dry faster. Instead of using the gel, I'll just use this because it seems like it may have pretty good hold. But yeah, I'm going to put on my bonnet and go to sleep. Check out my Instagram if you want to see it in the sunlight and natural lighting. But anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.